Hi, good evening. This is Jafar Sadiq from Dr. Dreams. As you can see, today we are here in the Kempegowda International Airport, Bangalore, with a batch of students who are traveling to Orel State University for the academic year of 2023 and 2024. These are the students. We'll take a small feedback from the students how they got the service from Dr. Dreams. Thank you.
I'm Rahul.
Myself Moinuddin Pasha.
Myself Mohammad Sabil.
Myself Syed Abdul Rahman.
Myself Syed Owaid Ahmed.
Myself Manoj from Bangalore.
I'm Akash Kumar from Davangere.
Myself Banu Prakash.
Myself K. Lakshmi Narasimha. I'm from Bangalore.
Myself Karthika.
My name is Rakshit.
Hello, myself Fiza Banu.
I'm Pamna from Bangalore.
Myself Jeevitavi.
I'm Maitri M from Bangalore.
Myself Pooja, I am from Raichur district.
Myself Sriya Srilakshmi.
Myself Sonika from Kanakpura.
Myself Prakriti. I'm from Chandpatna.
My name is Georgina. I'm from Bangalore.
I'm going to study in Orel State Medical University, Russia.
Orel State Medical University.
Orel State Medical University.
Orel State Medical University, Russia through Dr. Dreams.
So, a very big thanks to Dr. Dreams. I'll be going to Orel University.
I'm going to Orel State Medical University to pursue my MBBS.
And I'm going to the Orel State Medical University to pursue my MBBS via doctor's stream.
I'm from Mysore. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನನಗೇನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇವ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
It's like they guided me from the start, everything.
So, here I came into this Dr. Dream, which is a dream come true. I was really very sad, depressed that I couldn't get into MBBS college. But I'm glad that I found out there's something called Dr. Dreams and I could really, achieve this MBBS through abroad.
All thanks for Jafar sir, Mubarak sir and Nizam sir.
डॉक्टर ड्रीम्स के थ्रू मैं MBBS करने के लिए रशिया जा रहा हूँ. थैंक यू फॉर डॉक्टर ड्रीम्स.
I'm very thankful to everyone.
Through my friends, I came to know about Dr. Dreams. I thankful every entire team of Dr. Dreams who have helped in to my final departure.
It's a wonderful experience with Doctor's Dream.
Actually, we felt very happy when we met them. Dr. Dream, that is one of the wonderful consultancy which I found there.
I want to thank Nizam sir, Mubarak sir and Nirmala Yadav madam. Because of their cooperation, our dreams comes through like.
And we are thankful to Dr. Dreams and especially Mubarak sir, Nirmala ma'am, everybody who helped us so much.
ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಕಂಡುಬಂದಿದ್ದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಳಿಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇವೆ.
ಇಡೀ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಷ್ಟದಿಂದ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಬ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೆ ಸರ್.
It's quite nice. The weather is also, way too different from India. We are getting Indian mess and stuffs.
Yeah, everything is good in this. In the hostel and in the mess facilities, we get Indian food. Thank Dr. Dreams.
Hostel facility ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. There is Indian food available in the mess and the hostels are really amazing.
They stayed with us 15 days to every process. I'm thankful to Dr.
We are all very thankful to have a Dr. Dreams to achieve MBBS seat in Russia. Today we all are happy to have here. I am very especially thankful to Dr. Dreams.
I say that everyone should join this Dr. Dreams.
I suggest one thing, like if you are really dreaming to become a doctor, then I advise consulting a doctor.
And Dr. Dreams is the one place for solution for MBBS abroad. Thank you.
Study MBBS abroad.
Admissions have started. Our destinations: Russia, Georgia, Belarus, Bosnia, Philippines, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and other European countries. Contact 1-800-270-1015. Visit us on drdreams.in. Dr. Dreams. Born for Doctor.